HandBrake is an open source video converter that is free to use and has a lot of capabilities. So if I were to actually go ahead and open up HandBrake right here, this is what you have. It says drag or drop file right here. So this is the interface that you have right here in HandBrake. So you got the source selection right here, and where you can go ahead and choose a folder or a file. So, or you can drag and drop the file or folder directly right here as well. So to get started, I'm just going to go ahead and choose file right here. And then I'm going to go around over here onto my tutorial drive, let's say for example, and then go ahead and import out this video right here. So you can see that this is what you have, and then this is where the preview is. So you can see that I can go ahead and click on open source to open up the source as you want. And you can go ahead and see that there's add to queue as an option right here. And there's basically the menu option over here on the top, where you can go ahead and click to get more options. Here you can see that I have the option to start encode, manage queue, work around with preview, see the activity log, and you can access out different presets from over here, as you can see, just like this. So apart from that, you also have tabs right here on the bottom. So you got the summary tab. This is where you can maintain around the dimension, filter, video, audio, subtitle, and even set chapters as needed. So you can see that there's preset menu around over here as well, and title option. And you can see that we can work around with chapters and everything else right here. As we go through this course, we're going to explore how we can utilize many of these features to go ahead and convert the video as we need using HandBrake. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.